listening to the best radio station on the planet. And now, it's time for a classic. Your day sounds better with Your Day Sounds Better with right now. Let's go back,
way back, sweetie. 2.5 minutes after 2 o'clock, right here on Medium Wave 1035. Munny Max in the house, broadcasting live from News Cafe Tabani Mall. My name is Master G from Medium Wave 1035 podcast. The atmosphere is lit. I'm feeling the breeze, man. It's happening. Look at how beautiful it is. If you might be somewhere coming from Johannesburg, not knowing what to do, when you come down here, come to News Cafe Tabani Mall. It's a beautiful place to be. Welcoming my brother in the house, Munny Max in the house. What's up, my brother?
Yeah.
Welcome to my show, bro. You cool? No, man, that's beautiful, man. Munny, we would like to know much about your music, of course. We've been playing vhapholo. And so on and so on.
Yeah.
So please tell us more about yourself before we talk about your music, my brother. Munny Max.
Munny Max is the artist, you have rap.
Right. Yes, my Rufure 2.
Yeah.
Right, Munny.
Ane otuma muzika ngabo 2012.
2012.
Yeah, ndichifi double M boy.
Yeah. What happened? Why did you change?
Ndachimtuku ndabona ri as a boy ndisuza bathu batuku.
Nido aruwana tiyo fi Mr. Munny Max.
Yeah, ndabati wana ndari ndione plan ori ndione tinalne auna mtu analo.
Yes.
Line arada wana mtu analo odotswela.
Like Master G. If there's another G, it's another G, but it's not me, right?
Yeah.
But it should be G something, but not Master G, and so on.
Yeah.
So, first album, was it your first album?
Yeah, first album, yeah.
Track vhapholo.
Album, track number 3.
Right.
Yeah.
And then what inspired you to do the track? Because I mean, it seems like we're complaining a lot about vhapholo and so on. Tell us more about it.
Choto trobai richi shume album rako nyongora shume suzene zvaiteya.
Right.
Zvinoti kuzvibona.
Yeah.
Nane ya nditimwedzi track dzinene suzene riasivona asi zvine zvoita kanne.
Yeah.
Suzene redzora kuzvibona roto.
And nana kaindi zvingadite because you are still alive.
Yeah.
So vhapholo ndiye no wina ngori una goloi.
Yeah. Rosidza polo richiti polo rikoredza ngori polo ndiye nene varikota vachiva nayo.
I popular nyana polo of the woody.
Yeah.
So na decide or ni ngwanenga polo and ni eka polo. Yeah. No vya na baji songa mtu wa polo.
No.
You haven't.
Unless around this at the bichiru.
Yeah. Mara nisa vdibi ya unorungaro ni baizis.
Yeah.
Now I'm happy. I'm happy to hear that. So basically, you seeing this thing happening every day. Beautiful girl, nice noise, eh? Birds are all over here. Oh, what a podcast. So basically, okay, nikamba ngabatu bane niyagonorina girlfriend nangori anina trans. I'm just checking your music video and the narration. Mutu wako nodanga Paul and then awina media number 2. Yeah, that's beautiful. Awesome stuff. You are afraid to tell me about your track. I want you to go deeper.
Track no ndi track ene like ango ya peta na chifinga.
Yeah.
Kodiwa.
Yeah.
Yevo recordwa like roto bana na chifinga nyana studio, roto buka studio ngamadekwana.
Yeah.
Wa hook over soko ngwala.
Yeah.
Osoko kisikajera studio asoko roses.
A floor. No ishimana nyabe.
No ishimana Mr. Wiz and Easy SA.
Right.
Easy SA ndio la wa huku.
Yes.
Yeah.
So na kila mfana wanga.
Yeah.
And then after ndoni bwana no feature SABC ribu. Chachi ko driver Paulo da ribu. She blind. And then nani gabe?
Ndiamatsi.
The farm.
Yeah.
Yeah, the farm guest house.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful one, eh?
Yeah, ndiyabutingamanda.
Yeah. Tell us about your career. Nikuita mini rashkoro zovina?
Nandibani ndi Univen. Nikuita degree ya
BSCC.
HP, yeah. Ndia by degree ya biochemistry and chemistry.
Nidilangazi PH. Yeah, man.
Yeah, chemistry.
Yeah, so Ziambore nikuita bozisi be juera nepala dilangazi because I don't wanna bombard you. About the PH nazi what and also. But I'm happy that you're doing school, my brother. Why no nanga outside music full time not mana school?
Dozibonore like muzikani uzakakiseya umwe zinarari na chikoro ngathungwa ndi manisho maisa ngamanta
ngwashaburunga but kana Paul nisongoje na school bada bajiawana bavaso.
Yeah.
Daoni songo bia natanga na situation ya Paul mfana. But what do you think? Nichi imagine the whole scenario ya mtu ane ba good ba relationship, the fact that he doesn't have a car, ada wa Paul ba vaya. Ni bononga tamsula mtu wako feel mimi in fact. Ara dibe kazo yenda zwawe.
Wa mundai. Ni bononga as he right because what?
Yeah.
As writing Amanda or ni jeruwe mutu. Nga mutu ni anena dibure Adam shumanaye.
Yeah.
Taba page avaya.
I see.
Yeah.
Medium Wave 1035, Master G is my name. We're broadcasting live from News Cafe, Tabani Mall. If you are in and around Toronto, come and have some good time, man. This is a beautiful place. Thanks to the management and staff of News Cafe, Tabani Mall. This is where we pride ourselves to be, man. We love sitting here and having fun. And hey, thanks to Tola and the management. And we love you so much. And then we're still with Munny Max. If you don't have a car, you don't have it all. You understand? You don't have it all. You don't have it all. I'm having fun. You know, I'm the guy who doesn't. I don't want to spare fun for tomorrow. Yeah. What if I die tomorrow?
Yeah, it's already.
I want to spend my today like it's my last day. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So basically, towards the end of this show, I'm going to be playing the music video. Of course, everybody will be enjoying the track too as well. Niko studies biochemistry, University of Venda.
Yeah.
And then first year, second year.
Second year.
Second year.
Yeah.
So next year, niko gwinya.
Yeah.
Gwinya ndo peda ngachizulu.
Yeah.
Ne. And then deal na internship kana na dzula mdini.
Chenda ndachona inge ndicho saso ndobo na matumoni ya mwa.
Yeah.
Ndoba ndiko very sharp kama muzika.
Great.
Ndobo ndito ndipungudze mingwe mimodulu.
Yes.
Kwa sababu zito dalesa.
Na bobaizi seya.
Yeah.
Na wana mapungana shatangana.
Ara tukwenda modulu ya 15 or 16 ngangwa mti.
Yes.
Yeah.
Already?
Yeah.
Bafibonyi.
Azonaki kurube.
Oh man. Timer?
Yeah, the 99.
Yeah, bafibonyi.
Ronald Mawera.
Oh, Mr. Mawera.
Yeah.
I see. What's your dream car, my bro? Dream car.
Go in like in the table banayo. Go in
Yeah, man. Type of the house you want to build for your mom and yourself and your wife?
Yeah,
oh yeah, man.
Yeah.
A guy with a swag.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So I know, man, if I have to ask you about women, you're still young.
Yeah.
You look very innocent. Very young and very innocent. I don't want to bombard you with those kind of things. I just want to let you be who you are. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're feeling this whole air on the background, man, we're just outside here. We don't want to do it inside. We enjoy being outside because we're seeing people and it becomes so real, man. I feel good. On my left here, this is left, right, Tendo? On my left here, almost like Toronto Stadium, and what else? What is on the right? Arts and culture.
Yeah, arts and culture.
On the right?
And my shop.
And my shop. Yeah. And at the back?
News Cafe.
News Cafe, where? Tabani Mall. Beautiful stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, are you good, my brother? Thank you very much. It's nice to be part of this, South Africa of today, which is full of possibilities. When I saw and they're doing nothing about their lives, what do you say about it?
The one who ndingatama babuzori at least naba na grade 12 ni banoshumesa ngamanda. Yeah, naba na grade 12 ni banoshumesa. Yeah.
Grade 12.
Abajira chikoro basokonisha chikoro basatuba late.
Onaba fetch bane the ni believe mwana modo langa chikoro.
Ati onaba tubane like bangasilanga chikoro but awubeta chikoro.
Yeah.
Aba na mutu ane ojina chikoro wabana ana talent.
Yeah.
Waitakura zabuti ngori una mumburo wa pfunzo.
Yeah.
Ngongwana.
Yeah.
Unaba tubane like bayapata kada zukezitu. Ara ula mtu ara kupata abana ojina chikoro abana business atoita business not yasabena dzina chitu abana business yaute ndi mtu zitwa ngamtu like una pfunzo.
If you were to be given 16 million rand next week Friday,
yeah,
how would you spend yours?
Ndinga ita business ndizona zino ndazifuna uri ndibe na business.
Tell me more about it.
Yeah.
Mbuzeni zwinjinga business type of you.
Ndibona ngati million is udala.
Yeah.
Yeah, or to be business. Ara could have maybe 100 100,000.
Yeah.
Nikatoma business ya wood shop.
Yeah, na grow shop and all that. Nachinga nanga minimum.
Ya ziliwa first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Why?
Ndibona ngari ziliwa
I see. Future no music in vhudzisani.
Music this year or 4 months yote ndibandi na music video ne wonotamba ka TV.
Yeah. Which TV? SABC TV.
The Channel O and MTV base.
Yeah, not SABC TV.
Zote. Yeah, Zote.
Right. Thank you very much. It's time for us to just play him a nice track. You know, don't run a track in. I just want you to feel good about it. Makazu blind and she knows I love her so much. This is what I'm having for you.
You're listening to the best radio station on the planet. And now, it's time for a classic. Your day sounds better with Your Day Sounds Better.
Still with Munny Max right here on mw1035, broadcasting live from Tammany Mall in Toyando. It's a beautiful day. Boy, how do you feel about this track though, Munny? Yeah. My God. Yes.
Yeah.
And a half minutes after 2 right here on mw1035 podcast. My name is Master G. We're broadcasting live from Tammany Mall News Cafe. We're just outside here. You can hear their cars on the background. Munny Max in the building. We're just talking live. You know, I'm not going to bombard you with a lot of how many singles do you have? How many albums do you have? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? No, I'm not going to do that. I'm too civilized. I want to talk about money. I want to talk about future. I want you to tell me more about what I don't know about you. This is part of me. We broadcast. This is how I make money, my brother. If there's nothing like this, there's no me. You've got your own way which you put your things together and you can tell me more. If you were to be given 16 million, you told me you're going to start a food kind of a business, you know? So, but basically, there are a lot of people who've been asked the same question. So what would you do if you're given 16 million tomorrow? And then they have different, you know, answers to the very same question.
Yeah, millions of that to my business.
I see.
Yeah.
Engani pengisa. Ningasi dere na yana.
Ningasumbre business business nga million.
No. Munny, let me tell you, ninga banana on nati Cape Town. Noko vanita ndo ngama chwe denchila breakfast. Cape.
Nati gold.
Yeah. Ninga pangana gold ka. Kama gwakwa.
But if I eat to kucharete,
I see.
Yeah.
No, many. There are a lot of challenges which people come across.
Yeah.
I don't know what kind of a family you come from.
Yeah.
What kind of a family would you like to tell us that you come from? Rich? In between?
No, not rich.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, there's like the
Yes.
Yeah.
Listen, I will jump quickly to the very same musical background which you have and everybody else has.
Yeah.
Makazuko Pizza, we know she's on fire.
Yeah.
#1 on Spotify, #1 on downloads, Sese and Kokoba, the album. What do you think about it?
Like the asset Makazi.
Yeah.
The Mutane Ukorusumbe and the Rene savaimbi vamwe vavenda uri mini ndiani ane kutambiriwa kha dzi TV
For sure, man.
Yeah, because when
Yeah.
rina ritomutevera.
For sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ndi vona nga ukoshuma nga maanḓa.
Anga khaula ṅwaha makhadzi ne?
Nga maanḓa, yeah.
Nina pulupelo kai.
Yeah.
Boy.
Oshumesa makhadzi like not ri kuto dza Venda, hayi othe.
Track vhapholo coming shortly.
Okay, delegate. I remember chimkhoda nga luimbo chimwe tshifhinga ndamulidzela dza ringo ndaita ndichichintsha ndalidza thubobo achishonelela adikweta na ningo bura dzawe dzari ujola na Samuel vamwe vari vomuvona vhapholo somewhere ndisiho khazwo ndichibhiliva khaye I guess ndiyone reason why vachindola korobel anyway chimwe tshifhinga ndiyapfa pay kanulfuno ndigoloyi these days mawe nondonetanga uaction nga tifi pay nisina modoro ziauya nisina modoro ufuna nitatoro somba matoka vhapholo ufuna nitatoro somba matoka vhapholo unarufuno rune rungasichimbire nisina chitumwe fethu ningasifire nachiendedzi chisiho ningasiwine ridasokosedza rasoko rikava dipine vakufunisa goloi ufira muthu avana ndavana uri nne ndina vuthu na vana va zvino vakufunisa zvithu vavukuma vaho auchena muthu if we have a car vanifuna nga maanḓa ende karufuna ningadovhaleliwa nga nnḓa vasokodzifunela vasakosedza phanḓa na mukoma no renga goloi no wonder nisina modoro ziauya nisina modoro ufuna nitatoro somba matoka vhapholo ufuna nitatoro somba matoka vhapholo uri rufuno ruyadiva ruyatakadza vhudzisani vhapholo ningasidoluwana rune na rutoda nisina modoro avana ndava na urinwi ndojumahanima vavotocheka uri vanainwi nitova driver.
Sound of Munny Max and Easy. Vhapholo. Beautiful music video right there. It's amazing. We're broadcasting live from Tabani Mall. It's a wonderful day. Mini, you talk. You guys went to the studio, and the next thing I want to watch you just boom.
Ngamanda hono is.
Yeah.
Yeah, is in the osokoro huku yeah, a freestyle.
I see.
Yeah.
So no square studio, the next thing boom. Yeah.
And then in them turn like na ula mwandina na rongwara.
Yeah. So this is amazing, man. Beautiful stuff indeed. First few words, we spoke about your success and so on.
Yeah.
I don't want to ask you where you're going to be in 5 years to come.
Yeah.
I want to ask you about the kind of leadership that you'll portray to your family, to your young ones, people who are looking after you. What kind of leadership do you see in yourself and your career as a man?
Like ndikonyongora kamuzika ndi songoto bana muzika pezi. Yeah, ndikonyongora na chikolo chigenerere kore ndi perere.
Yes.
Yeah. After ndobvisa a track atora album ndaba ndikarecord the bull then ndazvimburoti ndikwina uri ndibena ndachitu changa nemunhu.
Yeah.
Then ndabodibana record label ine ndiyanga.
Yes.
Yeah. Rune ndiyafuna uri ndibe na chitu changa nemunhu kazothe. Yeah.
Nifunesa ownership yami nemunhu.
Yeah.
Which is not wrong.
Yeah.
Which is not wrong. Munny, I don't want to consume a lot of your time. I know you're going to still go to shop, get some few drinks at News Cafe. My brother, thank you for popping by, and I hope to see you some other time. And of course, man, how do we get a hold of you? Nishi book off for the gigs. Give us your numbers if you've got handles. Where are you?
Ka Facebook, ndibona ka Facebook yodarisa watu banje. Ka Facebook mangangona ka page yana Munny Max, MUNYMAX.
Yeah.
Yeah, Munny Max ka WhatsApp na call Ni 0664325547.
Numbers on the screen, of course.
0664325547. Ka Instagram at MunnyMax. Yeah. Naka Twitter zezo.
Thank you very much, my brother. Thank you, I appreciate.
Yeah.
Keep well, my brother. Thanks, Munny Max in the house. Representing, man, vhapholo. What can we do? It's amazing. He wouldn't explain this better than he did himself. Sound of Munny and Easy, vhapholo. One of the tracks that makes this whole country go ablaze and so on. Studio 5 is coming through. My name is Master G, ladies and gentlemen. For mw1035 podcast, we're coming shortly.
You're listening to the best radio station on the planet. And now, it's time for a classic. Your day sounds better with Your Day Sounds Better with what we're gonna do right now is go back, way back.
Recapping today's show with a sound from Una Rhyme and the way featuring Mesophiel. My name is Master G. What about it, my feet? It's happening. Keep it up, man. Check us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and all media, all social media handles. We are there. We are on fire. And we are Media Web 35. We're signing off. Thanks to my producer, Tendo. We love you.